Hi, thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to Spanish Learning 101. So for today, I want to teach you guys the correct pronunciation of each letter and the sound it makes when two letters are combined. So I'm going to start off each row from top to bottom. So starting off in the top left, for the letter M, you're going to say M. For the letter P, you're going to say P. For the letter S, you're going to say S. For the letter T, you're going to say T. For the letter L, L. For the double L's below that, doble L, the sound it makes, Y. Below that, the letter N, N. Below that, the letter D, D. Moving on to the second row, on top, the letter A, you're going to say A. Below that, the letter M and the A, you're going to say M, A, and the sound, Ma. Below that, the letter P and the A, you're going to say P, y A, and the sound, Pa. Below that, the letter S and the A, S, A, the sound, Sa. Below that, the letter T and the A, T, y A, the sound, Ta. Below that, L and A, L, y A, sound, La. Below that, double L and A, doble L, A, the sound, Ya. Below that, the letter N and the A, N, A, sound, Na. Below that, the letter D and the A, De, y A, sound, Da. Moving on to the third row, where letter E on top. For E is E. Below that, the letter M and the E, M, E, the sound, Me. Below that, the letter P and the E, P, y E, the sound, Pe. Below that, the letter S and the E, S, E, the sound, Se. Below that, the letter T and the E, Te, y E, the sound, Te. Below that, the letter L and the E, L, E, the sound for L and E, Le. Below that, double L and E, doble L, E, the sound, Ye. Below that, the letter N and the E, N, E, the sound, Ne. Below that, the letter D and the E, De, y E, the sound, De. Moving on to the fourth column on top, where the letter I is. For I, it's E. Below that, for letter M and I, M, E, the sound, Me. Below that, for the letter P and E, the letter P and I, P, E, the sound, P. Below that, the letter S and E. For the letter S and I, S, E, C. Below that, the letter T and I, T, E, sound, T. Below that, the letter L and I, L, E, the sound, Li. Below that, double L and I, doble L, E, the sound, Yi. Below that, the letter N and I, N, E, Ni. Below that, the letter D and I, De, E, the sound, D. Moving on to the fifth column on top, the letter O. For the letter O, you're going to say O. Below that, the letter M and O, M, O, the sound, Mo. Below that, the letter P and O, P, O, the sound po. Below that, the letter S and O, ese, o, so. Below that, the letter T and O, te, o, to. Below that, L, O, L, O, the sound lo. Below that, double L and O, double L y O, the sound yo. Below that, N, O, N, O, the sound no. Below that, the letter D and O, de, o, the sound do. Moving on to the sixth column on top, the letter U, U. Below that, the letter M and the U, M, U, the sound mu. Below that, the letter P and the U, P, U, the sound pu. Below that, the letter S and the U, S, U, the sound su. Below that, the letter T and the U, te, U, the sound tu. Below that, the letter L and the U, L, U, the sound lu. Below that, double L and U, double L y U, U. Below that, N, U, N, U, the sound nu. Below that, the letter D and U, de, U, the sound do. Thank you guys for watching. If you feel like you need to review one of these letters or any of the combination of the two letters, the pronunciation, go ahead and go back, restart the video. And thank you guys for watching.